Hi guys, I hope you're well. Today I am going to talk to you a lot about this HUDA Nude medium palette, like the mini ones that they've got. Oh my god, like as soon as I saw it on Instagram I was like, I have to have this. Like it is just so pretty. Look at that. So I'm going to do a little bit of a tutorial and then I'm going to talk you through the swatches of this palette. Like I'm so excited. So let's just get in and do the tutorial first to get us to this look. My base is basically done, so I'm just going to go straight in with some eyeshadow primer. Just going to go all over both lids. Whoa. Just blending in with my finger. And I'm going to go in using this palette. For my day look, it's literally 2 fluffy brushes. So I'm going to go in with, I don't know if these have names, just realised. Right, so I'm going to go in with this one in the top right hand corner. It's like a lovely bronze with like a red undertone. I'm taking that in the outer corner and just working this into my crease just to kind of contour my eyes. These eyeshadows are really pigmented. Doing the same thing on the other side. So yeah, these eyeshadows are really pigmented. I mean, you can build them up as well, which you'll see me do after. Then I'm going to take this one here in the top left, which is another kind of bronze but less of the red, just to like turn it down a bit for the day, you know. Take my other fluffy brush and I'm going to take this kind of like more coral shade and just lightly, and the reason I'm using a fluffy brush is because I just want it to be light and natural, not too, just to kind of diffuse the colour a bit. Then if we're going to be fussy, just go back in with the same brush, not dipping it into the product, just blending out the crease. And that is it. This is literally my everyday look at the moment. Some eyeliner. And literally just go really close to my lash root, barely even a line, but I'm just defining the lash line, I guess. There you go. No flick, no nothing. Then I'm just going to take bronze eyeliner. This is 82 from Provoc, and just go into my waterline. And the reason I do bronze and not black is just because bronze is just like more of a daytime definition, but not kind of like too harsh. Now I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just blend out my concealer, take away any creases. Also, I wanted to show you the Huda Beauty baking powder or loose setting powder. So I am I'm now kind of like at the age where I feel like baking is too intense under my eyes, and I don't like to go too light under my eyes because like I just like it to look more kind of natural and just want to set my concealer. I don't want to bake. So I use this very sparsely. I don't go in too deep with it, and I've got the shade here, Canufa, which for me I think it's the right shade. It's not too dark, it kind of just, yeah, it's fine. And it's quite yellow, which I like because it does brighten, but it doesn't look too harsh. I'm just going to put it on and show you. So I take it onto a beauty blender and just place it under my eyes there, but I'm using it to set rather than bake. So can you see, you can't, it hasn't instantly brightened my other eyes, under eyes, because that's what my concealer's doing. And my concealer's not brightening, it's also concealing, if that makes sense. I don't want it to look too cakey and go into my creases, but there you go. It just doesn't look too harsh under the eyes. So there's a lot in here. This is literally going to last me like years probably. But that's what I need. Alright, so now I'm just going to take some eyeshadow under my eyes. I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm going to take a small angled brush like this. So I'm going to, under my eyes, I'm going to take the bronze shade that I started off with and put into my crease with the fluffy brush. I'm just going close to my lash line. I feel like it just adds a little bit of softness under my eyes, defines under my eyes, but keeps it quite soft, not too harsh, and the eye look all fits in nicely. And then if you just want to be a bit extra like I am, if you take the angled brush, take the same shade and just place it just so it's a little bit more heavier and can be a bit more seen. I'll just take another pencil brush and just a bit of highlight. And the highlight is not from this palette because I feel like that's the one thing that the palette's missing. I wear highlight anyway, so it's fine. Add mascara right from the root to the tip. And I feel like on a daily basis, like lips and, you see I've just, lips and eyes, especially my lashes, are like my thing, like that's my daily thing. Add a bit of highlight. And then lips. It's going to take like a nude lip liner. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in the shade 2C. Then I'm going to take a NARS Audacious lipstick, and this is the shade Vanessa. Just a nice nude, as you can tell. And that is it. That is basically my everyday look. Simple, literally two shades for the palette, 2 brushes, but it's just not over the top, and that's the palette. Okay, so you're sitting at your desk at work, got your everyday look done, and all of a sudden your friends message you and they're like, oh my god, let's go out, get some drinks to celebrate someone's engagement, promotion, someone's pregnant, something or other. You need to just look good and need to do a quick turnaround. So I am going to show you how to do that with the Nude Medium palette from Huda Beauty. So straight in, so your base is going to be pretty much done. You don't have to remove anything here. We're just going to go on top, lightly or whatever. So the first thing I do is just spritz my face, just to kind of freshen up and soften any makeup, so you can just like set it back in place if you need to. So I've only got like these 3 on. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to take a slightly smaller crease brush, and I'm going to take this shade here, which is probably the darker shade in the palette. I'm just going to go in my outer corner. Into my crease slightly, then I'm going to take a slightly bigger brush and I'm just going to blend that. Take a little bit more of those 2 and just go higher up into my crease. There you go. So hopefully you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. Just instantly kind of gives it that little bit of a going out, evening or special occasion. And just blending that out so it all blends in nicely. Wiping away any fallout instantly. Then the fun bit. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter for a little bit of, you know, so you can either do this with a brush or your fingers. But with these Huda palettes, like, I prefer using my fingers. So you can do like a full-on glitter look if you want to. I'm going to take this shade here. It's like a rose gold shade, just on my middle finger. And I'm going to press it into the middle of my eye. just there. Oh god, that is so pretty. Wow. Same on the other side. Then just to take me from day to night, I am going to take a black eyeliner and I'm going to put that into my waterline. Then with the same pencil, I'm going to go from the top of my lash line, from top of my lashes onto my lash line. Then I'm going to take pencil brush and I'm going to take this darker shade that I put into my crease earlier and I'm going to just go along my lower lash line, keeping it soft but by using the pencil brush, but just darkening this a bit. So you can see that instantly again just gives you the drama of an evening look. I'll do the same thing again with a small angled brush, take this darker shade and go from top of my lashes and then under my lashes, just along the lower lash line. This kind of just locks all the colour into place. Take that same angled brush and I'm going to take this glittery shade here and just from like the inner to the middle I'm going to go along my lower lash line just to add that bit of glitter. It like doesn't look glittery, it just looks like shimmery. It just kind of like shimmers through your lashes and just, I love doing this. I'm just going to do that on top as well, on the outer corners. And then if you want to, you can just add another coat of mascara. Get some setting spray. Make sure you have enough highlight. And can you see how that's like basically just transformed your look? And you know, let's go crazy, it's the evening. Add a bit of a coloured gloss. This is the NARS Velvet Lip Glide. So there you go. That was like the evening look done. So yeah, that has literally taken you from like day to night within a couple of minutes, just kind of adding a little bit more, just adding some shimmer, a little bit of glitter and just darkening the edges. So yeah, you can do that with this one palette. So yeah, I hope you liked this quick tutorial taking you from day to night. So can we just take a minute or two, maybe 3, 4, 5 to appreciate how beautiful this palette is. So I'm going to take you through the shades. They don't have names unless they did on the box and I threw it away. But anyway, let's start from the top. So you've got this lovely like just bronzy nude shade. They're just really pretty, perfect for every day in your crease or on your lid. Probably the most goldest, bronzest shade in the palette. It's like a goldy bronze shimmer shade. Not glitter, but just so pretty. Like, oh, this palette. Then one of my favourite shades. I wear this in my crease every day. It's like another bronze, but more of like a red undertone to it. And then the darkest shade in the palette is this one, which is really, really nice to go in the crease and to use like as an eyeliner. Then you've got this lovely like bronzy, almost rose gold. Yeah, I'd say rose gold, but more of like a bronze, reddy, orangey undertone. Then you've got this is my favourite shade in the palette. It's like a matte coral shade, which is lovely. Then this shimmery rose gold, which I love. It's just so, so pretty. It's what I've got on my lids at the moment. And then another kind of like muted, matte, I'd say it's like a matte rose gold actually, really nice. And then last, but not by any means least at all, because it's like, this is what I've got as like a shimmer under on my lower lash line, is this like darker bronze brownie shimmer, which is just really, really pretty. Like this palette is so nice, and every single shade is so pigmented. That is like the great thing about like all the Huda Beauty palettes. Like the bigger ones are definitely pricey, but so pigmented. But this is like a palette, just like the Mauve Obsessions palette, which I love and still do love. Like They're really pigmented, and they last like all day, so you can wear them like all the time, and this is like a really nice one for every day, and they can take you from day to night, which is basically what I've done with this. So let me know if you what you think, and if you've got the dark one, the light one, or the medium one too.